Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and this is my Hero XPulse 200 with the rally kit. In this video, I'm going to make a very economical, off-road friendly modification to my motorcycle. I'm going to swap out the Footpegs for something which are more off-road oriented. Now the XPulse, it comes with these slightly narrow regular Footpegs which are serrated, but they have a rubber piece on top of them which sort of dampens all vibrations and makes it very comfortable for on-road riding. Now the purpose of this motorcycle for me is just off-road trails, nothing else. Ride to the trail, ride on the trail, ride back home. So I wanted to be slightly more friendly when I am standing up and riding. So I'm going to swap out these pegs and I'm going to put different pegs. Now let me first show you something. I first realized the importance of off-road pegs when I started riding my Tiger 1200. Now the Tiger 1200 had very narrow pegs which are more for when you're seated on the motorcycle, highway touring. However, Triumph makes these billet aluminium foot pegs, off-road pegs for the motorcycle. So I bought these. These were slightly expensive. I think I got them for about, I don't know, 12,000, 14,000, something like that. And I just love the comfort and the confidence that these pegs provide. So I wanted something like that for my XPulse as well. Now, before I got the XPulse, I used to ride a KTM 390 Adventure on the trails, and I really love the foot pegs on that motorcycle. However, on the XPulse, if you'd see over here, so take a look. The foot peg is placed parallel to the floor. On the KTM 390 Adventure, the foot pegs were inclined. They were toward, more road oriented. That motorcycle stance is very road oriented, so the pegs were slightly inclined forward, so not very suited for off-road riding. So while I was looking for pegs for this motorcycle, a friend of mine, Saransh, he rides off-road with me, told me that the KTM pegs are a direct swap on this motorcycle. In fact, I have the KTM pegs right here. So I got these from my local KTM service center, and I'm just going to pull this out. Alright, so take a look guys. This is the serrated foot peg, and look at how much wider it is than the XPulse foot peg. So it provides very good grip. I'm used to these foot pegs. I had them on my KTM and I used to really love the grip it would provide. Now, the funny thing is these foot pegs, they will work better on the XPulse than they did on the KTM 390 Adventure. Because on the KTM 390 Adventure, this peg was like this, inclined. So when you're standing, your feet should be like this. Rather, they're like this. So these pegs will work better on the XPulse than they did on the KTM. And you know what's the best part about these pegs? They cost only 315 rupees each side. Just 315. And it's this particular portion which gets mounted on the foot peg hanger. This is exactly the same size as the XPulse peg. In fact, I've done it on the other side. I'll just show you the peg over here. They're just the same. Just the same. Let me show you something over here. I've already done this side. It doesn't take a lot of effort to put in. And if you'd see from the top, look at this. Compared to this over here. This is the underside of the foot peg hanger. So do you see this little metal pin that is stopping the main shaft that's holding it in place? So I'm going to first straighten this pin out and I'm going to remove the main shaft. The foot peg is going to come out, the spring is going to come out, and I'm going to replace it with the new one. So first I'm going to straighten this pin using a set of pliers. Actually, let's see if I can just pull it out like this. Yeah, see? So this is off. The washer came out, and now I will just push this pin out. I pull the pin out, the foot peg comes off, the spring comes off. This goes in like this over here. Now this spring can be a little hard to push with one hand. So you'll have to use some force to get this in place, and then to put the pin. Now what was earlier happening was the pin, it was inserted top down, so the washer and the lock, they were at the bottom and difficult to access. I'm going to put the pin from the bottom. Let me see if I can use enough force on my own. Okay, just like that. I did not need to put in a lot of effort. Okay, let me get the camera. If you'd see, I did not need to put in a lot of effort to put the peg on, and this is the position of the spring. This is how it fits. We're just going to lock it, but let me show you something. No wiggle, nothing. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. So now let's lock it. I'm going to first take the washer. Here's the washer. I'm going to take the washer. I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Then I'll take this pin. I will insert it. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Okay, and then I just have to sort of pull it in different directions, and it will be done. Using two hands, twisting that pin was very easy, and yeah, the pegs are installed. Both the pegs are on the bike. These are how they look. Some might mind it because it's silver, doesn't go with the bike, but I really don't care. If you want, just paint it black. But yeah, this was a very quick 10-minute mod on your motorcycle. It's very cheap, 630 rupees. You can do it at home. If I can do it at home, trust me, you guys can definitely do it at home. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? I will give you a ride review of these later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.